Have you ever wondered why hiccups suddenly take over your body? It all begins with your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle beneath your lungs that helps you breathe. Sometimes, this muscle spasms involuntarily, causing a quick intake of air that your vocal cords snap shut, producing that distinctive hic sound. These spasms can be triggered by eating too quickly, sudden temperature changes, or even excitement. While hiccups usually stop on their own, they're your body's quirky way of reacting to a temporary irritation. Next time you get hiccups, remember it's just your diaphragm's unexpected dance. If you found this cool, like, share, and follow for more fascinating science facts.